Let's check out the ranging and ballistics with the synced up ballistics data from the DNT app with our ThermNight 4K 219. The first thing we're going to do is range targets from about 350 out to about 1,200 yards so I can show y'all the rangefinder in action. And then we're going to take some shots. It's a little windy out here and I don't have a spotter, but we'll take 350, 450, and 550, and then we might push it out a little farther than that to 6, 7, or 850. We'll see. But let's look at the laser rangefinder. Up first, we have 368 yards. Next berm is 462, 560, 660, 770, 860, 960, 1075, and then all the way out to 1,270 yards. So we ranged out to 1,200. We'll come back. I'm going to use the laser rangefinder. The scope's going to automatically adjust my point of aim, and then I'll shoot. We'll go 350, 450, and then 550. .368 up first. Hit. We have 462 next. Hit. Now we have 561. A little bit of wind now. I'm going to hold just at the left edge. Hit. All right, let's go out. We'll go 660 this time. Hit on that one. Still got another round. Let's go out to 7. This wind is definitely breezing by. We got 770. And go farther left. All right, let's take this shot at 770. Hit. And just like that, consecutive hits from 350, 450, and 550. And then we pushed out a little bit further. I don't have a spotter, and the information, the dope, the data that we plugged into the ballistics calculator into the app is just the stock data that came on the box whenever I inputted this S&B 140 grain 6.5 Creedmoor. So I'm not chronographed, I'm a little off, and I could see that from where I was having to hold over. So definitely make sure you're chronographing your ammo and you're getting your data and dope correctly so you can be as precise as possible. But did manage to get hits at 660 and 770 out here. So that's the laser rangefinder and the ballistics calculator in action from 350 all the way out to 750 yards.